Okay, next one up, new client with his BMW S1000. I got a phone call the other day from the gentleman's son. I was going to surprise him with one of our full works packages. So we're going to do everything to this, get it all cleaned up, get all these wheels, calipers, all down the front, everything clean. We're going to polish up all that exhaust up underneath there, get it looking like new again. And then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramics. We're going to get all this cleaned up. I will do a 2-stage machine polish, get a nice bit of gloss on that, and then we're going to seal it with the signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic. That chain will be serviced as well. It's looking very dry. Yeah, we're going to throw everything at it. So first step, let's get it cleaned. Let's get it decontaminated, degreased, get all that tar off the bottom of that exhaust, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. Let's get it washed and then get it in the studio. Okay, BMW S1000 now has been fully washed, degreased, decontaminated, and thoroughly blow dried. Now in the studio for some machine polishing. Gonna machine polish that windscreen there. It's got a few marks. These wheels, I'm gonna machine and hand polish these wheels. I got a few nicks here and there, so I'm gonna touch those up first. Exhaust has been polished. I'm gonna do another polish on that once I apply all the ceramic. We will do a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork just to get a nice bit of gloss. It's got a few little marks in it, nothing major, but more than anything, let's get these wheels all polished up, get those nice and glossy before we apply any ceramic. Chains all been serviced, just did all the rear sprocket nuts, put a bit of XCP on those. Like I said, that exhaust is looking good already. We will do a final polish on that, but let's crack on with a bit of polishing on this bodywork and these wheels. So this BMW S1000 has now been fully trotted. Oh my God, look at the gloss on it. Look at the gloss on those wheels. I machined, polished, hand polished those wheels, every nook and cranny of them. All the bodywork has had a 2-stage machine polish just to get a bit of gloss back to it. Look at the gloss on that. All that exhaust has been mirror polished back up, all up underneath has been done. These wheels, I touched up a few of the chips. They had quite a few chips, but look at that. Once they were polished, we then prepped them, treated it with the signature 4K Distinction HD. That is a graphene ceramic protection that will keep this looking its finest for years to come. Keep that gloss on point, keep it protected, and keep it nice and easy to keep clean in the future. All the chains been serviced, lubed back up. It's absolutely a stunning bit of kit. Look at the gloss. It's a 2015 model. Oh my goodness. Treated it to a bit of Trott TLC. Time to get yours booked in. We got spring coming up. We are busy. March, we've got a special offer on this particular service. £50 off for the month of March. Full works package, £50 off. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.